The Biden administration has sided with drug companies in a dispute over the cost of prostate cancer. Now, let me say that again. The Biden administration sided with big pharmaceutical in a dispute over the cost of prostate cancer drug that was going to save people's lives. The Biden administration said it's okay to charge more, even though, Farron, government and universities paid for all the research. Pick this story up.
Yeah, this is another one from The Lever. Again, my new favorite
What a
site.
great-
David Sirota, Matthew Cunningham Cook put this story
These
together.
guys are brilliant. I
They
love
really are.
this site, man.
So what you have is you have an individual who's flown under the radar in the Biden administration named Xavier Becerra.
Yeah.
Mr. Becerra happens to be the head of Health and Human Services. But back when he was in the state of California, when Trump was in office, Mr. Becerra petitioned the Trump administration, you have got to lower the price on this specific prostate cancer drug because people are dying. And this drug has been proven, it'll fix you for the most part if we get it in time. But you're letting people die. How dare you, Mr. Trump, do this?
It's even uglier than that.
Yeah.
It's even uglier than that. Part of his argument was that taxpayers paid for the development of this drug. It was actually developed at a university, and government paid for part of that. And then we let a drug company get the patent on it. And so there's a solution, clear solution. The government has the ability to come in and say, we're not going to honor your patent. We're going to do what we call march-in rights. And march-in rights is when you say, this drug is so vital, A, it was paid for by taxpayers. The industry had nothing to do with developing this drug. They simply got the patent, and now they're gouging the eyes out of people to get this drug. So what is most bothersome about me is we have the Biden administration saying, well, it's okay. And as I look at the connection between Biden and this, well, let me read this to you. By the way, this is called The Lever.
Yeah.
And it is a great source of information. When Biden was vice president, during the Obama administration, and congressional Democrats demanded that government use this march-in power to do away with the right of these pharmaceutical companies to lower skyrocketing medicine in America. It was Biden that was one of the eight Democrats who voted against it. And but for that vote, it would have passed. And so as I look at this is another deal where Reagan, again, it's another Reagan story. Reagan comes in and he makes a requirement that drug companies sell medicine developed with public money at a reasonable price. He kept that under control. Bill Clinton comes in, does away with that. So, you got people out there saying, I'm a damn Democrat. Democrats are always good for us. Bullshit. This is an example. If you're believing that, watch what happens on this drug, right?
Yeah, and this is, again, it's terrible because this drug has been listed on the World Health Organization's list of essential medicines. This is essential for many people
to live.
Yeah. And the Biden administration, knowing that we already created this drug, the drug company did not. My taxes paid for it, your taxes paid for it. We've all in this country already paid for this drug. And they're still charging us, they didn't list the exact number, but we are the highest price on the planet to buy this specific drug. If you get prostate cancer in Europe or you get it in South America, you're going to get this drug at a reasonable price that is not going to send you to the poorhouse.
Okay, so, oh my God, we've talked nice about Reagan. We've talked bad about Bill Clinton. We've talked bad about Biden because he has a long history of siding up with the drug companies. So when you unsubscribe, feel free to do that because that's what this show is about. We don't take sides. We call balls and strikes. If it's Democrat, we're going to call it. If it's Republican, we're going to call it. So feel free. We're going to be okay without you. Promise you. Thanks for joining me, okay?
Thank you.